we identified the body. So, yes. It's okay, Tiffany. It's okay. We'll get through this. The three of us. Me, you, and Marcus. We're family. Sorry.
Is Marcus here?
No.
Okay, so I'm here to speak with his daughter. I meant your daughter.
It's fine. It's fine.
Tiffany? Do you remember me, Tiffany?
Yes, I remember.
Okay, may I sit with you?
Okay.
Okay, so I know it's been pretty rough with you, and I just wanted to... Are you okay with your dad being here with us having this conversation?
Yeah,
Okay. Where would you like for us to start?
I don't know. I don't want to remember it. It's too painful.
It's okay. It's okay, I understand. And whilst I don't want to pressure you, there is something that I must ask you. And it's okay if you don't want to use your words, you can just nod. Or shrug, or smile, or... It doesn't matter. Just answer. Alright?
I can do that.
What I want to know, Tiffany, were you sexually abused?
No, I wasn't.
Okay. Ooh, that's good. Were you touched inappropriately in any way, shape, or form?
Well, no. They hit me 2 times. That was before they killed my mom.
I am so sorry, Tiffany. I can't tell you I know exactly how you feel, but I'm here to help you. Plus, you have your dad and your uncle here with you to just help you through the process, and we're all here for you. Okay? How are you sleeping?
I'm hardly sleeping. I keep having flashbacks. It just keeps bothering me in my sleep. I can't believe she's gone.
Carlton? A minute, please.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna have to get a therapist.